do, yo? What's up? What's up? Okay, I'm back. So today I'm back with the old, very old perm rod set. I've had this for like a week. My edges not done or nothing. I don't have my zoom lens on, but it's okay. We here. Let's get it. So this perm rod set was done with the Alikay Naturals. I used the lemongrass leave-in conditioner. Yes, so the Alikay Naturals lemongrass leave-in conditioner, and then I used the Alikay Naturals moisture rich hair parfait. I did not record it, so if you guys really insist that I show you guys how I did it and achieved, well, this looks a hot mess, but achieved a nice perm rod set when it first came out. Yeah, a nice perm rod set without actually using a actual curling cream or gel or anything like that, and it actually held up. Let me know. I got y'all if y'all insist. So I'm gonna show you guys my favorite styles to do on old perm rod sets. If you guys follow me on Snapchat, I got a lot of requests to actually do this video because I did a couple styles that I don't be knowing where they be coming from, but I just did a couple styles and people were like, oh my god, that's so cute, can we get a tutorial? So here I am. What's good? So I'm gonna show y'all the easiest one first, of course. So I have these little, I don't know what these are called, but like these little combs. And I got these from the beauty supply store. They be like $1. And I basically just kind of like rough my hair up a little bit. And you're gonna need a pick. And I kind of pick it out. We just jump right into the tutorial, didn't we? Shoot. Alright, so excuse me. Picking it out. I got an Apple Watch for Christmas, y'all. Just to your liking, and then I like to flip my head over to the side and grab the hair basically from right by my ear to my temple, and I pull it up to like kind of like the crown of my head, and I stick the comb in that section, and it creates like a little mini mohawk situation. Okay, and honestly you can leave this like this. That's kind of cute. Okay, let me fix my edges though. Ain't finna be out here looking rough. And like if you don't like edges, that's, I mean, you don't like baby hairs, that's fine, but like I just like mine to be swooped or decent looking. But if you don't like that, you can always just leave it. But if you know me, you know it ain't right if I don't have baby hairs. So we gonna swoop a little bit. Just a little. These ain't gonna be the best baby hairs because I ain't finna do all that slicking and stuff because we finna change the style in 2 seconds. But, so yeah. This is pretty cute, a nice little side joint, you know. You got some in your eye and stuff. When I do these kind of styles in my hair, in my face though, they do be getting stuck on my eyelashes, but it's okay though because your hair is cute. So this is the first one, right? Then you proceed. If you don't like this, flip the hair to the other side and do the same thing. Pull it up to the temple and push the comb in. Boom. We got a mohawk. It's a little uneven. I don't know what this piece of bang is doing. Hello. That was destiny. Okay, and we got a mohawk. Yeah, this was cute, ain't it? I know. All right, so let's fix the baby hairs again on the other side. Matter of fact, y'all, I'm finna take this side down in a second because I need to pose for a thumbnail. I'm tripping. Okay. Look, don't mind these baby hairs, they poo-poo. But y'all get the idea. Cause I'm finna wash my hair. My hair is dirty. I probably won't wash it tomorrow or the next day, but it'll happen soon, sooner enough. All right. So shake it a little bit and see what the picking did. You don't have a part in the middle, like a little split. It's just there. If you'd like to, you can always stick like some type of like bobby pin or pick in there to make your bangs not be so much in your face. But I like my hair in my face. Okay, I mean, but this is cute too, but I like it in my face. So we're gonna take this down. Okay, You just gotta mess with it a little bit. And then if you need to, especially like with the products that I used, you can stick your hand in here, get a little extra, a little something, okay? Rub it on your fingers and use it to twirl the curls, because sometimes they get frizzy. But that's the good part about, look at that. Oh, hello. That's the good part about doing styles with without creams and stuff, because with creams you gotta refresh with the same products. With this, I can just twirl my fingers and boom, voila, we in this hoe. All right, so okay, this is cute. Oh, whatever. All right, so 1, 2, 3, pose for a thumbnail. Okay, now before we take this down and I take my picture, or I pause for my screenshot, because it's gonna be a screenshot in the thumbnail, you can put the bang to the side, okay? So, okay, so hold on, let me tell y'all something. The key to using, ow, the key to using bobby pins and like hiding them is to put them in straight into your hair, not to the side. So like, I'm gonna grab this section and I'm gonna open the bobby pin and I'm gonna put it in this section like that, and it's gonna keep the hair back, but you're not gonna see it though. Now watch this. 1, 2, 3. You gotta grip the hair, push it in. Oh my God, where is it? It's gone. Well, now I want it to be like a little side mohawk situation, but like I need this to be up a little bit more. Stick it in there. And we got a side hawk. Side hawk. Okay? So this is cute. This is cute too. I just came up with that one on the spot though. That wasn't part of the video. Just apply your hair parfait and voila, we in that hoe once again. See how that works? And I think I just found my new perm rod method. I won't be using no creams no more. All right, y'all ready? Hold on. Ready? 1, 2, 3, pose for a thumbnail. Okay, so let me pose for the thumbnail really quick on this hairstyle, and then we're gonna move to the last one. See how quick that was? Nice and quick and cute. Yeah. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, pose. All right, so you have to flip your hair on over, okay? We're gonna need this section here, right here, and all this, hold on, can't see, all this right here. All the rest of this can go. Now, clip it, and bring this up here too. Clip it away. Now this is what you need to do. I always tell y'all about these scrunchies that I be getting from beauty supply store. They like the ones that is like the material and they don't have no metal bands on them, so like no type of snagging on your hair. So I use these all the time. I'm trying to find a small one. All right, so if you are OG on my channel, then you already know what I'm talking about when I say the 2 ponytail method. So if you're natural, you know, if you was to try and put your hair in a ponytail like this, cute, but your ponytail is little, like who wants a baby puff? So what you do is split your hair in half, like so. And y'all, my nail is coming off a little bit, but I refuse to take it off and get a refill. They just gonna have to glue this whole back on. So if you see my hair getting snagged, it's because I'm being cheap. All right, so we're gonna pin this up again. And now this back section right here, we're gonna put it in a ponytail. Low down, like right there, right? That's the first step. Got your ponytail in, fluff it up, whatever. This is what it look like. It looks a little janky, but it's okay. So you bring the second half down and do another ponytail over top of that. Make sure your ponytails aren't together, like no hair is getting in to the new ponytail. And the key to making this seamless, well, actually it looks pretty seamless right now. You have to brush the top ponytail kind of down a little bit, just to cover up the little part that it's gonna make. And do another ponytail. This one should be like right in the center of your head. Alright, so then what you do is fluff them up together. Oh my god, you got a big ponytail. Ain't that something? And you can kind of like tighten them up a little bit and they just get period. Alright, so now for this section here, we are going to take the gel of your choice and just take a little bit and put it on your little edges and brush them up like that. So I'm brushing them up, and then I'm going to take this same comb here and I'm sticking it down into that section so we can keep that little side swoop type of look. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go into this section, separate the curls a little bit, because you know over time they kind of clump together, and then go ahead and do your edges. Now the last step to the hairstyle, excuse me, is a little clip. I got this clip, it says Black Girl. I got it from the beauty supply store. This is not the one I used on Sunday. The one I used on Sunday said dripping, but I put it like right in front of the clip. It is what it looked like. My edges is coming up. They doing me dirty today. This is the style that everybody was asking me about from Sunday. Pretty easy, pretty cute, or whatever. I feel like it's like, it looked like a little girl hairstyle, like how your mama would do your hair when she lets you get your hair flat iron, but then the little pin on the side and make it look a little more adulty, especially if you put on some hoops or whatever. But yeah, this is basically it. I'm gonna pose for a thumbnail. I'm trying to see which angle I want to do. Alright, so yeah, that's basically the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my quick little cute little hairstyles for perm rod set. So love you guys. If you need that perm rod tutorial, let me know. Just comment in the description box, but I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah.